What up, YouTube? It's your boy Don C here with a quick little video today, man. I know it's that time of the year, that season with the snow, icy conditions, and sometimes muddy, you know, because the snow melts too. So it's a quick video for y'all, man, showing you how to put your car in 4 high or 4 low. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Right now, you see we in park and we are in 2 high. And you can put your car in 4 high in park, but me, I prefer or recommend doing it in neutral. And you find yourself in some light snow, light mud, or roads a little slippery, you want to feel a little bit more safe, you just want to pull it back, boom, just like that, and you are now in 4 high. Just that simple, guys. And you can also do this on the move. As long as you're going under 55 miles an hour, you can pull it straight back into 4 high. Now, if you find yourself in a sticky situation, y'all, in some deep snow or some deep mud, this one you want to use 4 low. So right now, car's still in neutral. You want to go over and you want to pull it all the way back. Sometimes you got to yank it way back, y'all, until it engaged like that. So now you see we in 4 low. The auto park will be disabled. Traction control, everything is going to go off, y'all, because the Jeep is going to get you out of that situation. And you see how I had to kind of yank it back because I barely use 4 low. But it's completely normal if it's hard to pull back, y'all. And it's just that simple. So just like that, y'all, quick and simple. And like I said, y'all, if it's hard to pull back that clutch, that is completely normal, especially for the people who don't really use it like that. You see, I kind of struggle putting mine in 4 low because I never rarely use it. You know what I'm saying? That is completely normal, y'all. And just keep in mind, y'all, putting it in neutral is a lot better for the transmission. Like I said, nothing most likely won't happen if you have the car in park, but just go ahead and throw that thing in neutral and you'll be all right. And I hope this video helped y'all out today, man. To all my Jeep creatures, y'all stay safe out there in these conditions. Hit that like and subscribe for your boy Don C, man, and stay tuned. We out here.